Welcome to Module 6, video number 7. In this part of the XE course, we're going to be talking about keyword research tool. Now, I recommend using Erank.com when researching for tags because it gives you more accurate information than any other keyword tools since it's pulling directly from XE. Now, Erank, formerly known as Erank, has a large selection of free tools to help you grow your XE business. So please note you need to be an XE seller first to be able to sign up for Erank. Now, Erank provides you a massive list of different tools you can use to improve your business. So let's go over some of my favorite Erank features. The first one is Keyword Explorer. Finding great long-tail keywords is now easier with Erank Keyword Explorer. This tool shows the estimated search volumes and trends for both XE and Google. So it's going to give you a greater insight into the buyer's interest and commercial intent for keywords. And you're able to explore millions of keywords that are searched for by real XE shoppers each month. Now, the bulk keyword tool, it also allows you to look up estimated search volume and trends for XE and Google, and it allows you to do it by 20 words at a time. It's going to give you great insight into buyers' interest and commercial intent for keywords as well, and you're able to explore millions of keywords that are searched for by real XE shoppers each month. And that's really important because this is data being pulled from how XE buyers are searching for things. And that's going to really help you when you are doing your research keyword. Now, another great feature is called the bulk rank checker. The bulk rank checker will search for your listings on the first 2 pages of XE search results. And it lets you do it up to 20 different terms. So that's really nice as well because you're able to see where are your listings ranking on the first or second page of XE. Ultimately, as sellers, we want to rank on the first and second. A lot of people do not pass, a lot of buyers do not pass to the third, fourth, or fifth page when they're shopping. They usually make a decision and just choose from something from the page 1 or maybe page 2. And after that, that's it. They don't keep looking for more pages. So therefore, you want to land on the first, ultimately, if not at least on the second page of XE. So this tool will help you with that. Rank Checker allows you to see what's the average XE members see in the search results on xe.com without the personalization or ads. So that's a really nice one. It's going to let you see how many people are seeing your listings, how you rank on the search results. So, and you could do this by individual listing as well, or you could see many of your listings as well. It really depends on how you want to do it. Monitor. You can enter a list of keywords that you can monitor every single day. So that's nice as well. Spell checker, it just lets you know of any potential misspelling of your tags. So it's really important, especially if you're working on your listings, to use the spell checker because if you made a mistake and you misspelled a keyword or a tag, the spell checker tool will let you know. You could fix it, so therefore you could rank for that keyword. If the keyword is misspelled, you will not rank for that keyword. So just keep that in mind. Keyword tool. The Erank keyword tool performs detailed analysis of the top 100 listings found in XE search results. So with this tool, you'll get a sense of the most popular tags that are used by sellers, how often those keywords are searched for on XE and Google, common price points, and other data to help you find great keywords for your XE listings. So that's a really nice one because if you're listing something new and you don't really know what price you should, price it on, are people actually looking for this keyword? How many people are searching it for on XE or Google? The keyword tool will give you all that information, helping you decide whether that keyword is going to be a good fit for your listing or not. Compare keywords. So using this tool, you could compare up to 4 keywords to gather insights using data collected from both XE and Google on competitive, search volume, levels of engagement, and more. And that's really important because when you're looking for a keyword to use for your particular listing, you want to make sure that the search volume is higher than the competition, and you want to have anywhere from medium to high engagement. So using this tool is really going to give you all that information at one time. That way you can make an informed decision of whether you want to use that tag or not use it. Category tool helps you get category suggestions for your items that you're listing. So if you ever are in doubt, you don't know how you should list a particular listing, what category you should be using, the category tool will tell you what is the average amount of people that use that category and why you should use it as well. Etsy Profit Calculator basically is a profit calculator. So it helps you estimate your Etsy fees and profit. So you enter the price of any item that you have, the labor, the material, the shipping cost, and it's going to give you an estimate of the fees that you will need to pay and the profit you can expect. So that's an awesome tool. Tag report. So the tag report shows you how often you can use each tag in your shop, as well as how much competition, demand, and engagement each tag has. And then the listing grade is another great one. The listing grade performs a detailed technical SEO audit on each listing, and it tells you how it complies with the SEO guidelines. So just keep in mind that the listing grade is going to give you a grade from A to F. But even if you get an A, it doesn't necessarily mean that your SEO is done correctly, because you could be using all the wrong keywords. The listing grade is basically just measuring, did you put photos, enough photos? Did you do at least 7 photos? Did you complete your title? Did you add a listing description? Did you optimize your listing description? Did you add a category? Did you add a tag? So the more of those things that you complete, the higher the listing grade you get. But doesn't necessarily mean that because you have a high listing grade that you did your SEO correctly. So just keep that in mind. It's just basically like a guideline to see if you are doing your SEO correctly, as compliance, basically. Now, recap. Let's do a recap of this module. What I want you to do is, when you already have your Etsy store registered and you have added a couple of listings, I want you to register at erank.com for free and start getting familiarized with the tool. Start using these tools, because Erank is going to really help you take your business to the next level. But you need to get familiarized with it and start using it, so therefore you can use it the right way. I will see you in the next video.